So here are the Southeast Asian seas. Okay, show you the bathymetry here on the left. You can see the shallow shelf regions, less than 200 meters deep, and you can see some of the key regions. Here, South China Sea. You can see South China Sea here. Also, you can see a little bit of the northern coastline of Australia and the Arafura Sea. Here you can see the Arafura Sea. So what determines the upwelling in the regions, or some of the upwelling, are seasonal changes due to the monsoons. And here are two little sketches showing you the summer monsoon, wind direction, and also the currents that you get. The small arrows are the currents, and where you get coastal upwelling systems. Again, you can easily apply the Ekman layer theory. And northern hemisphere, you need wind. Essentially, you need to have winds that have the coast on their left. And this is how you can explain these wind-driven coastal upwelling systems here. And with the wind reversal during winter time, you expect here on this coast of Borneo some up. Let's just have a look at the snapshot during summertime. In northern hemisphere, summertime, boreal summer. Looking at satellite data. Here are maps of satellite data, but it's not chlorophyll A or ocean color. It's an alternative property that is called fluorescence line height. This is something that you can use which is devoid of sediment influence. Okay, so it is devoid of it. It doesn't have the bias that you can have if you have river inflows. Okay, and the unit that you get here is, don't confuse this with the chlorophyll A unit, but it's also scaled here. It's divided by 10, so you actually get a maximum value of 0.5 of the units that you use for fluorescence line. And I don't give you the units. It's a long type of collection. Anyway, so this is fluorescence line height, and you can identify the key upwelling systems. And the equator is shown here by this white dashed line, and you can identify upwelling, coastal upwelling along the southern coast of Vietnam and along the coast of China. South of the equator, you can identify other upwelling systems, the Arafura Sea upwelling. And we talk about this in the next lecture. I explain this to you. And there's also upwelling here along the coast of Java. And sometimes you get strong upwelling along the southwestern coastline of Sumatra during Indian Ocean dipole events, positive events. Okay, and this partly explains why you have such a high fish production in the South China Sea.